Ever wondered what makes a website or app user-friendly? Is it just about attractive visuals, or is there something more? That something more is the magic of UI/UX design. UI, or user interface, focuses on the look and layout. It's about how each element of a website or app appears on the screen. On the other hand, UX, or user experience, is all about how a user interacts with these elements. It's the journey that a user takes from entering an app to achieving their goal. In today's digital world, good UI/UX design is paramount. It's not just about making things pretty, but about creating a seamless, intuitive experience that keeps users coming back. It's understanding the user's needs and designing solutions that are not only functional but also enjoyable. As it turns out, the secret to a user-friendly website or app lies in its UI/UX design. Now that we have a basic understanding of UI/UX design, let's delve into the tools that help create these designs. In the vast world of UI/UX design, there's a tool for just about everything. These tools come in all shapes and sizes, each with its own unique features and capabilities. They're categorized based on their functionality, such as wireframing, prototyping, interaction design, and so on. Let's start with wireframing tools. Wireframing is essentially a blueprint for your design, laying out the structure and layout before any aesthetic elements are added. Some popular tools in this category include Balsamiq, Sketch, and Mocubes. These tools are known for their simple drag-and-drop interfaces and a wide variety of design components. Next, we have prototyping tools. Prototyping is where you bring your wireframes to life, adding interactivity and animation to give a realistic preview of the final product. Some of the big players in this category are Adobe XD, Figma, and InVision. They offer real-time collaboration, making it easy to share your work with clients or team members. Then there are the interaction design tools. These are used to create complex animations and transitions, providing a more dynamic user experience. Tools like Principle, Framer, and After Effects are often used for this purpose. They're known for their powerful animation features and flexibility in creating custom interactions. Finally, we have the user testing and feedback tools. These are used to gather user feedback, conduct usability tests, and analyze user behavior. Tools like user testing, Hotjar, and Usabilla play a crucial role in this area. They provide features like heat maps, user recordings, and surveys to gather valuable user insights. Each tool serves a specific purpose in the design process, and using them in combination can lead to a comprehensive and effective design. From sketching the initial layout to gathering user feedback, these tools cover every step of the way. Each of these tools has its strengths and is used for different aspects of UI/UX design. With so many tools out there, which ones stand out? Let's take a closer look. First up is Sketch. Exclusive to Mac, Sketch is a vector-based design tool known for its simplicity and efficiency. It's great for creating interfaces, websites, and icons. However, it lacks prototyping capabilities, so you'll need an additional tool for that. Next, we have Adobe XD. It's a part of the Adobe Creative Suite and is available for both Mac and Windows. It's a full-fledged tool for designing, prototyping, and even sharing your designs. Yet, some users find it less intuitive than other options. Then there's Figma. It's a browser-based tool that allows for real-time collaboration, making it perfect for teams. It's packed with features that cater to both design and prototyping. However, some may find its multitude of features overwhelming. InVision Studio, another popular tool, is known for its advanced animation and prototyping features. It enables designers to create complex transitions and micro-interactions, making it a great choice for interactive designs. A potential downside could be its steep learning curve. Lastly, we have Balsamiq. It's a rapid wireframing tool that helps you work faster and smarter. It's great for sketching out ideas and getting a quick visual, though it's not suitable for high-fidelity designs. These tools, with their unique features, have become staples in the world of UI/UX design. So, we've taken a whirlwind tour of the world of UI/UX design and its tools. We've unraveled the intricacies of user interface and user experience design and how they intertwine to create digital products that are both aesthetically pleasing and functionally efficient. We've also explored some of the leading design tools out there, showcasing their unique capabilities. These tools, when used effectively, can truly elevate your design game. Remember, the right tool can make all the difference in creating a user-friendly and effective design.